Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing an oil change for this 2010 XB. So it takes 520 full synthetic. So I got some from obviously Napa filter and some weird oil filter wrench claw thing. So first I'm gonna put, and it's raining of course, crappy day, but I don't care. I'm gonna put the car on jack stands and go from there. Alright, so once you have the car on ramps, pop your hood, boom, pop, pop it. No, don't pop it, lock it. Pop it, lock it. Ew, there's the cap, dipstick. You need gloves because this engine is dirty. Dirty. You take your cap off, you take your dipstick off. Alright, so we just had like a little downpour, so I had to put everything up and I had to take everything back out. So anyways, back to where I left off. Open the hood again. We're going into singing. Alright. This is your oil cap. So open that up so that you have good flow. And then your dipstick. And get your trusty dusty 14 millimeter. Boom. And my glove is in the way. Awesome. And here's your drain plug on the passenger side. And stick that guy on there. And now you're going to plug the catch. And my fingers in the way, of course. Alright. Oh man, whoever did this, they strong. Ah, oh, here we go. Good Lord have mercy. Good night. So after you loosen this 100-pound-feet of torque screw, and there we go. Let that drain. And your oil filter is right there. Boom. I gotta get this little flap out the way. I'm gonna take this whole thing off. So I'm gonna replace the fog light, which I need access to that. So that's draining. Let's take that all apart. Alright, so once you got your shield out, get that filter. Should be hand tight. But are they ever? Oh, it is hand tight. And then it's gonna leak oil all over on me. Woo-hoo. Favorite part. Alright, there we go. Oil all over you, that's fun. Alright, now that's done. Kinda, a little bit. Sorta. I'm just gonna leave that in there because I don't got all day to be holding it. And then you clean your hand. Alright, so you get your new filter. You put a little oil inside. And then you put it on. And hopefully no oil spills out back at you. And don't cross-thread it. Otherwise, good luck. Alright, there we go. The whole time my glove was in the way. Sweet. And then just tighten it. Here comes. There's something going on around here. Because there's like ambulances and police cars and fire trucks. Take a ride, tighten it. Oof. Tighten some more. Here we go. Let's try one more time. Alright, hopefully it doesn't leak. But with my luck, it probably will. But oh well. Hold on, one more time. Alright, so you fill the oil a little bit. The oil filter, you twist it back on there. You put a rag on here, you get a nice little grip. Twist it. Not crazy tight, but you know. Alright. Alright, so if you look inside the manual, it says 4.5 quarts. Inside the user manual, that's torn. So let's do 4.5. 4.5 of this great Napa oil. So we got like 5 quarts in here. Let's check it. I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess here. Alright, so now you're going to have to turn the light off. So that the light is on. So I think you have to press the trip button. And it says trip A. Then you turn it off. And then you hold it. And then you turn it back on. And then it's blinking, blinking, blinking. And then it's off. There you go. So oil change complete. So thanks for watching. You know the drill, like, subscribe, comment, whatever. I'm gonna do the fog lights next. Thank you.